Man, you call me bitch and whore in same sentence. You're so racist. You.
Man, this bitch crazy.
Man, girl, you gotta calm your fat ass down.
Man, girl, you're crazy, bitch, man. You're crazy.
Get off of me. Yeah, come on now, little bitch. Come here. Come on, get some of this. You like that? You like. Who the fuck is this? Hey, old man, what the fuck do you want? Man, what's you looking at, man? What the fuck are you raisins doing, you fucking assholes? Raisins? Man, you better get your ass out of here before I fucking kick your ass. Man, what you doing? Get your ass out of here, man. What the fuck are you parking there for? What are you doing, man? Get your ass in the truck. What the fuck is this shit? Never came across someone once in a while you fuckers shouldn't have pissed with. That's me, you faggots. What the? Excuse me.
Man, what the fuck are you doing that for?
Man, you better get your ass out of here.
Yeah, motherfucker, get your ass out of here, you old fucking wrinkly-eyed bitch.
Man, this bitch crazy, man. What the fuck? Man, was this man crazy?
He's a fucking crazy motherfucker. What the fuck is this motherfucker doing?
Get in the truck. Fuck you, old man. Yeah, get your ass out of here.
Get in the fucking truck, you bitch. Calm down, old man. Calm down, pop.
You fucking triads never listen, do ya? You just sit there like little fucking tight-ass gangsters, but you can't do shit. Get in the truck. Yeah, go get in the truck. Get in the truck. You little fucking assholes. Nice one, old man. Shut up, pussy. What's with all this fucking gangster shit anyway? Get your fucking oversized shirt and your patty ass up the fuck out of here. These niggas don't want to be your friend, neither do I, so get your fucking dirty ass out of here. If I catch you fuckers again doing this shit, I'll fucking shove my shoe in your assholes. Now get the fuck out of here. Yeah, okay, old man. Yeah, sure, old man. You faggots. Good day, you bitches.